It's a symbol of, to sort of say, you're always welcome to City Hall in Manila. You have the key already. When it is lang, you can open it.
Kala ko si...
Kamusta kayo? Congratulations.
Tamad mo? What's your height? Yes, I am. Wow, without the heels. Where's Jonas?
Hi, Jonas. How are you? Welcome. Hi, Jonas.
Guys, hello, hi.
Kasi kailangan natin ng mga inspirasyon yan nowadays sa hirap ng buhay ng tao. It could be an inspiration for any teenager in the country. You're from Quezon? Talaga. Alam mo ba, Chi, from what I have heard, you've been joining pageant. Very young age.
10 years old.
Pareho pala kami. Hindi, 10 years old ako. No. 10 years old ako naging basurero. Since 10 years old. High school. Then I promoted myself like you promoted yourself. Competed in the world. We're very excited. Kamusta ka naman dyan?
Okay na sa'yo.
Nakita mo, masaya mga taga-Maynila. So after that, ang gagawin nyo na? Mag-ikot kayo sa mundo o ano bang mga schedule niya, Jonas?
Ay, busy. Busy na. So we are also tying up with Sparkle.
Oh, you're in good hands. You will continue to sparkle.
Yes, so, and thank you, Mayor. We're very excited to make this parade because I think that, as you said, the Filipino really need it. And especially now, 500 pesos on the Noche Buena. Away na lang. But I think that these guys brought like pride to our country.
Yes, that's what
Especially in trying times. We are very proud.
correct. I think that can be your message to those teenagers wishing to be successful in their field and their future. Try and continue to inspire. Even though you're located in the heartland areas, there was a time, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not so familiar, but I have an idea, wherein Bicolanos, maraming beauty queen or beauty excels.
Started with Venus Rock.
Yeah.
And then nagkaroon ng Bicol Week.
Yes. I remember that when I was a vice mayor then. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na monopolize ng Metro Manila ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Pilipina ay nasa buong Pilipinas.
Yun po yung ginawa namin sa Miss Universe Philippines. Sabi ko, we have to, hindi pwedeng sa Manila lang ang casting, ang audition. So that's why we have Miss Man. So that's the global actually, global and local. We also have Filipinas around the world.
Sa Zamboanga, sa Dumaguete, yung mga pinuntahan, ang dadaming magaganda. Mga Ilongga, maraming, Cebuano, they're everywhere.
In recent years po, like ang winners namin, Miss Iloilo, Miss Cebu, Miss, it's not already like yung galing ng Manila.
Saka nagtataka ako, bakit pagka sa probinsya mas matangkad? Marami Anong star margarine?
Pero nag-antay pa rin kami ng Miss Manila.
Oo.
Philippines.
We're gonna revive Miss Manila. I hope you join us and inspire Manileños. You know? But in as much as I can, we're trying to efficiently spend our little resources and limited resources to social services. In fact, pagpapasensya mo mamaya, pag-ikot mo sa Maynila, pag-ikot kayo sa Maynila, pagpapasensya mo, wala ka masyadong makikita mga parol or something. Even to that point, I canceled the acquisition of such. And I just wanted to put up one tree, and here we're about to lighten up.
Friday.
Sa Biyernes. Para lalaking simbol, but we wanted to still share some things. Alam mo yung katwira ng mga magulang sa bahay, yung inirararos yung Pasko para may mapaghari mo ng manlamang. Doon ko na lang itinuon na walang pamilya Manileño pagdating ng 24 Disyembre sa Noche Buena na hindi kakain kahit mapaano man lang. Yun yan. Madalas ko naririnig sa natin may mapaghari mo ng ilan sila magkakapatid? Mami, matatagad din. Ikaw lang. Minonopolize niya yata Star Margarine. You know, your mom and I, our generation, we were made to believe in the 80s. Kahit ka ng star, tatangkad ka.
Galing marketing nila.
So it's stuck in our heart and our mind na nung araw, may bibili kang pandesal sa panaderia. Tapos, meron doon 50 centavos. Naka-pre-slice na yung peso. Tapos may foil yun. Tapos gusto mo naman, magpapapahid ka ng ng mantikilya. Tawag yung mantikilya. Start sa pandesal. Kasi feeling namin tatagad kami dahil gusto namin kasi noon yung basketball. Sila Don Ampalayo, Rudy Distrito, Loizaga, Jaworski, yung mga Abdel Patrimonio. Those were the eras eh. Lahat yata ng kanto, gumagawa kami ng basketball court eh. Those were the days. But I'm really happy. So how was it? Anong pakiramdam pagka nandun ka na? Like, you know, you're seeing the beautiful women of the world. You're surrounded with beautiful women like you. 122?
It's a good day every day. Maganda lang ang kita mo.
Now I know the secret. Ito, magaganda. Kita mo ito. Ito si former congresswoman, now tourism director.
Miss Manila. Oh, wow.
Crystal Barichi. Ito naman, si Vice Mayor.
Mga tol.
So you're gonna do the showbiz after the a year, no? I think a year. You have an obligation within a year, no? To fulfill.
I don't know much.
You don't know? Oh, it's very colorful.
Maybe I don't want that much color.
It depends on how you look at it. Well, I can only speak for myself. I look at it as a livelihood. Because I don't know if you know my story. But it is a livelihood to me, and that's why I really try to excel it in a professional manner. Pinabuti kong pilit ko yung sarili ko. Because if you competed to 122 beautiful woman of the world, you are competing also with thousands of actors and actresses.
Yeah.
Masikip ang para kang dumadaan sa utas ng karayo. Kaya pinilit kong magbuti. In a short period of time, we were about 100 plus in That's Entertainment. In a short period of time, like a year, producers started noticing me. And that catapult my career. So, depende talaga. Pagka
Napapanood ka daw yan.
tama, sabi ko siya. 97 ka pinanganak, ano? Akala mo, 1 year old ka nung mag-umpisa ako sa pamahalaan. 98 eh. 98 ako. 97 97, still doing Jimmy Super Show. 97, yeah. Still doing Jimmy Super Show. Kasi after mo That's Entertainment, i-promote ka na sa Jimmy Super Show. Kung mag-excel pa. It's maganda showbiz. You know, right the future there, especially with your status. Pagka ganyan ang mukha ng ka-excel mo, lagi kang may inspire. Promise. There is always a big race for you to showbiz. After this, kung anong tawag yan? Jonas, anong tawag sa ganyan? The rain. You have to be performing such obligation within the next 12 months, no? Tama ba ako? Good. Galingan mo. Go around the country. Inspire kids. Inspire kids. Go around the country.
It's gonna be on them. Make sure I go around the country.
Go to, have you seen Basila? You should go to Basila. It's a beautiful place. Nowadays, it's a peaceful place. I was there many times, whether showbiz or politics. We go to the park down. Maraming mga magandang lugar sa Coron, mga lugar na you never know when they see you, they get inspired. Sometimes seeing their idols, nag-boost ng aspiration ba tawag sa English?
Aspiration.
Never say that, di ba? Second time sumali sa Miss Philippines.
That's what I have told the students yesterday.
She didn't win last year. So she won this year.
See? That's what I've been telling the students. In life, you're going to face so many failures. Failures is inevitable. But it teaches you a very good lesson to be a better person the following day.
Sabi nga niya, when she was joining again, ako yung ginawa niya. I'm sure ka na nasali ka ulit. Kasi alam mong lapita, pero hindi ko nasa judges yan, no? Pero yun ako siya eh. So sabi niya, last week na niya.
It's so bad. She was able to answer properly. She was able to explain herself, talk about her advocacy, and answer the question, which is not easy when there's a time limit.
Talagang nanonood ka.
Alam mo, hindi ko na panood.
Andiyan ba yun, no? Andiyan ba yung mga Mexico? Oo.
Nasa office ko sila, nanonood.
Kasi dito sa Manila.
Narinig ko.
At isa dito sa Manila, ang policy ko, since mayor ako. Although personal belief ko niya when I was vice mayor, but my policy in Manila is walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang lalaki, walang babae. Lahat. So, I don't know if you notice going inside, everyone, kahit iba-iba yung mga preference nila sa buhay, they can work, even in the front line, even in the office, whether ano man ang skills na meron. So, kahapon, nung sinabing darating ka, ang una ko naalala yung mga paklako.
Huwag yung mga Mexico. Kasi ano nila, ang kanila eh, siyempre.
Aspiration.
Sabi ko, lahat yun,
Most of them are working. Kaya di masasayahin ang tao dito kasi walang prejudice. Nangongonya tapos sa nagbubuli. Konya, puputusan ko. Pag binabubuli. Lahat, may equal chance. It's how it is. Way I may be wrong to some, that's the way it is. Walang mayaman, everyone will get a chance to accept level playing field. Kaya magandang maging inspirasyon. Kahapon na kasasabi ko na sa mga yung nirevise natin quiz B.
Yes.
Sabi ko sa you're going to pay. It's not because I want you to pay. You're going to experience. It doesn't mean you're a failure. Keep on going. Alam mo yung commercial ng baterya? Energizer. Keeps it going. You have to go. Like you, very good example of that. One point in your life, you pay. And the best and easiest thing for you to do is to stop. But you did not. That's why you are attained greatness, achieve greatness. Yeah. And that can be an inspiration for Filipino children. Kailangan yan. Kailangan namin ng inspiration yan. Kailangan namin. Kailangan ng tao tayo. So we have to really move on fast. And moving on, we need some inspiration. Ako, ang inspiration ko rito ay yung mga lolo-lola ko, saka yung may sakit. Doon ako umuhugot lagi, lakas na loob, despite of our physical problem. Pag bulitin na yung lolo-lola ko, ubos na lahat ang pagod ko sa kanila. So, from there, malaki itong Pilipinas. Malitan sa mundo, pero so, saan? Diretso na kayo sa ano?
Meron po tayo yung photo op muna. Kayo muna ngayon. Kasi nag-ako na deadline.
Okay. Sorry.
Kaya okay lang po.
Madaldal talaga ako.
Tapos meron po tayong photo op with the babies.
Oh.
Sa Bulwagan. Sa Bulwagan lang.
Ang mga akla, hindi yan.
Nandun na po, naka-ready na sila.
Good.
Yung iba hindi po pumasok, hapon na lang daw papasok sa ibang work, hindi dito sa city. Clarify ko na.
Sige. But before that, we only give this to ambassadors usually. As a matter of a symbolic thing of the people of Manila. We send them to anyone. Really. Special ka lang ngayon. Because I want you to be an ambassador of hope of the country. Because that's what we need nowadays. So, everybody has ito ang pinakamalaking susing makukuha mo sa
Bagay sa height niya.
Alin kayong dalawa, guys. This is the key of the city. It's a symbol of sort of saying you're always welcome to City Hall in Manila. You're the key already. When it is done, you can open it.
Natry ko to.
Kodits. Naliit ako. Pero sa pagmamahal, pantay yan. I hope you will find somebody that will make you happy. Parang kinikilig yung dalawa niya. Oh, ito naman.
Teka, meron pa ano eh. Meron pa.
Siya ka na rin po. This is a small token. Ano ba tawag yung mga nanay nga? Talong pipi?
Talong pipi.
Talong pipi? Talong pipi.
Sounds like
Ano ba? Tama. You're welcome. Pagpasensyahan mo na yan. Ito na yung bago namin logo for our tourism. Yeah. For icons. Okay. For Chicago, of course, this is Milad, isang the maps and pictures. And that's what the name is. Doon tayo sa Milad. Sa Milad. Halika, sumama ka mami. Okay. Halika, sumama ka. Join us. Okay. Krista?
Yes, I'm fine.
Ang dami ng ambassador dito, ngayon lang natuluto mo.
And then Mayor, they're requesting for a picture na kayong dalawa.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Sa basketball, black na black ako.
Miss Ariela.
Mayor, Mayor, pwede pa kayong dalawa?
Oh, sure. Sa kanan mo? Okay. Okay. Sesya ka na. Okay. Sige pa.
And maybe another one, please.
Yun. Beautiful.
Yo, yo! Dudoy 2.0 Sa vlog na to wag kang bibitaw bro. Yeah, yeah, let's go! Hey, hey, yo, yo! Dudoy palaging andito. Balitang totoo, walang plastikan dito. Sa politika o simpleng usapan, hatid ay raw vlog, diretsong katotohanan. Dudoy 2.0 Laging trending ang kwento. Sa YouTube, hanap mo to. Political vlog na swak sa'yo. Para makiride, wag na magpahuli. Sa bawat issue, may banat si Dode. Wala na, seryoso pa. Dodoy 2.0, siguradong panalo ka. Dodoy 2.0 Laging trending ang kwento.
Pagpalain kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God first!
Sa lahat ng viewers ni Dodoyte, ito, yun, steady lang kayo dyan sa Gedli. Please continue to watch the videos and please do subscribe. Ingat kayo. God first!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like